Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear WhatsApp and free up at least 50 gigabytes of space. First thing you do is open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on storage and data, and then tap on manage storage. As you can see, my phone is in 2 gigabytes of storage. So next thing at the down here is the chats. Tap on the one of the chats. You can delete all pictures and everything in that chat. Go back, do it for the next contact and the next. Now this seems slower, and that is because here you're selecting one after the other. But if you want to make it faster, you can simply minimize, press on the icon to get your app info, tap on app info, and then scroll down to storage, and you clear cache. So the cache is cleared. You can also tap on manage storage. Now the reason why my storage doesn't seem to be clear enough is because I have two WhatsApp accounts, and the second one contains a lot of stuff, so I have to switch accounts and do the same thing on the other one.